Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Roy's Quest. Today I am going to show you how to clean your split AC. It's a regular preventive maintenance that you can do in regular interval depending upon the frequency. It's frequency of your running. So let's come, we'll see what we can do. First of all, we have to do the outdoor unit, then we will see what we can do in indoor unit. Let's come. See, it's a quick connector hose, simply that you can use in for a gardening purpose, that we can use for the cleaning of outdoor unit, that is called condenser. So how to fix that one, I'll show you. This back knob you need to put like this, and the end here you can see the end. We will push it like this and we are going to tighten this one. So our pipe connection is ready. Now what we will do, here the nozzle, I'll give you the description where I purchased this one. I purchased this one from an Amazon, and I'll give you the guide. Like this you have to fix this. Like this you have to do. What we can do, you just need to clean this fins. And this is the indoor unit, but before that, all the procedures, first of all we need to switch off the AC first. The power connection should be cut out first, then you have to splash the water in the condenser unit, and then you can see the indoor unit. And here you can see how we can do the filter cleaning. Inside there is a filter. See, here is two notch here, one is here, another one is here. So we need to just pull it out like this, okay? And here also same procedure which you have to follow. Now it will comes out like this, okay? See how much dirt is trapped here. See how much dust is trapped here, okay? Here are two filters we can see. See this is one filter that we have to put it like this, and another one is here. This is also the filter, we can use it. We have to clean this thing with fresh water. Here you can use like this. After washing with water, put this filter in sunlight for just get it dry. Put it like 10 to 15 minutes, then we will fix that one. Rest what I have to do, that is clean it with a clean brush, paint brush like this, and just vacuum clean it with your vacuum cleaner. If you have vacuum cleaner, then it's good, or else no problem. with a blower you have this. If you have this air blower, electric air blower, then you can also blow it. Now you have to put like this the filters, like this one and this one also. There is 2 notches that will fix here and here. Okay, like this. I'll show you. You just put the upper side like this and bend it like this and just do it. This is a simple procedure. Here also the same. See, this we will put it here and here. Okay, so let's done. Finished. Friends, thanks for watching. I think this video will help you to preventive maintenance of your split AC that you can do easily at home. This is a simple steps: indoor unit, outdoor unit, the filters cleaning, the backside condenser cleaning with the water, and then you will plug your power connection and run after waiting half an hour. Okay, I think this will help you. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe, like, share, and please give us the comments. Thanks.